Once it's cleaned, I think this door will, you just got to get the dirt out of the grooves and that'll open and close fine. It's not damaged. You do need find one more replacement knob there. And yeah, there's no rails on these drawers, so these drawers could use a rail kit. And the legs are clawed up from cats, actually, I believe. And cats like to scratch on them with their claws, so they need sanded and refinished. But the wood is, you know, I don't know, it's not clawed too deep into it. I'd say 95%, 90% of the material is still there beyond the scratches. It's not rotten or weak or anything. Pretty sturdy. So, and same thing there, they clawed on it a little bit.